on the clutch. From the previous day's overuse of the clutch, his hands were completely stiff, and the road showed no mercy, so he had to face the next stretch. While I was headbanging like a maniac to that heavy track by Rogue Results, the Moto Preacher had already arrived in Bolinao, just in time for lunch with royalty.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the house of McAbooger, Lord Screech and Lord Whiskers, McAbooger, they're blue-blooded highnesses from the house of McAbooger.
After that blue-blooded cuteness overload, he drifted along the river in a small kayak, letting his mind wander. Afterwards, yeah, you guessed it, he chased the sunset with the Bolinao beach all to himself.
Close all the curtains. Stay on the phone. We are the monsters holding you still. We are the gallows up on the hill. Answer the question. Is God on your side? We'll be together. We're the rebel tide. We are the monster. There's no place to hide. We're under your bed. We hide in the dark. We are